Hey, what's up guys? So we're gonna try the park assist feature. So what this does is it's gonna park the car for you, okay? So you don't have to, you just have to control the throttle and the brake. You don't have to do much else. The steering and all will be done by the car. So first thing you need to turn on, you press this button here to turn on park assist. Okay, so this is a vertical lot. Okay, so you can see the car is reversing for me. Okay, so you see the arrow on top or in front of the car, it means you need to drive forward. Okay, so put the car into drive, press the throttle a little bit. Braking intervention speed too high. What happened was I let my foot off the brake. Okay, so you shouldn't let your foot off the brake entirely. Now I put the car into reverse. You can see the back arrow, so put the car into reverse, tap the throttle, right foot still on the brake just in case. Okay, and the car is reversing. Okay, need to put the car into drive. Tap the throttle, the car will straighten itself. Okay, put the car into reverse, throttle. Okay, so yeah guys, that's the park assist in the Cupra Ateca. To summarize, how it works is just press this P button over here. Okay, turn on park assist, and whether you want to park left or right, you just indicate left or right. If you want to park on the left, just indicate left. You want to park on the right, just indicate right. Drive slowly, drive close enough to the cars on either side as possible, and then let the car, you know, instruct you on what to do next. So it's quite easy to use. Yep, thanks guys for watching.